My name is Rob Wudkocks. I'm a fine art and fashion photographer, and I create work that speaks to the state of humanity. What's cool about photography and most art forms is I think they can be such a core source of therapy, really looking into yourself and digging through the things that you've experienced and letting them out through your art forms. And so when I see people in my life experiencing triumphs or traumas and those stories speak to me, those are things that I want to create about because they become personal for me.